Bulabinak everyone. Today we'll be doing a small video presentation on our CS215 assignment 1, which was based on designing a small topology based on a family supermarket. This assignment was taken care by me. My name is Alisha Sharma and my partner.
My name is Sahil Krishna.
And today we will be also taking over this small visual presentation on our assignment. So to introduce this small topology, the purpose of this design was to simulate a secured LAN and WAN design and have a central hub which we placed it in Suva, which has a server room, and we had seven branches, which were six branches, which were Suva, Nosoi, Lotoka, Lambasa, Nindi, and Ba. And the goal of this entire assignment was to have a centralized server. It has to be scalable, reliable, supermarket network.
Moving on to the network design overview, we opted for a hub and spoke topology. So basically, what happens is like the different branches are in their own locations and operate on their own, but they are centrally connected using a server room, which is situated with the Suva supermarket here in Suva. So what the server room does is simply host all the different devices from all the different branches. It is connected via the wide area network links. We will discuss about how this, what media we will be using in this network setup later in the slides. So what the server does is simply manages the security and all the devices centrally from one location. So here in this photograph, we can see a physical view of our network topology. Uh, this is the Suva supermarket along with the Suva server room. Both are located in the single building but are separated into different rooms. The above one is the Nosori supermarket. The third one is the Lotoka branch. The fourth one is the Lambasa branch, then the Neni branch, and lastly the Ba branch. Each branch have their own routers, which is connected to the central core router situated in the server.
The centralized services are present in Suva branch. There was a DNS, DHCP, and email server that we had made, which will be in the assignment. And the services that were hosted from the server are such as a point of sale, CCTV footage, and VoIP. We also have some Internet of Things devices such as AC and IPTV, and it all ensures that the devices and the services are unified for all the branches through the main server. So some device that we have picked were Cisco 2911 routers, the Cisco Catalyst 2950 switches, which has 24 ports. We had Cisco AirNode 1850 access points that we had chosen, a Dell PowerEdge 2740 server, which sits in the main centralized server in Suva, and a reliable and available. And these devices are reliable and available in Fiji, and can be purchased from DTEC or CSL.
Moving on to the wide area network transmission media I spoke about earlier. So basically what we have demonstrated in the Cisco packet tracer network topology file is we have used a serial DT cable. So we have used it to represent a fiber optic leased line in real life. So this is available at Telecom Fiji or Vodafone Fiji. This simply helps to provide a speedy and a fast connection between the branches. Backup, we have opted for LTE 4G network, simply the cellular networks services provided by the Vodafone Fiji and Digital Fiji in Fiji. And what the wide area network does is this media that we have chosen, it ensures uptime, redundancy, and scalability too. And this redundancy, what it does is like it helps to um, reduce the amount of repetition of signals, and uptime like makes it efficient, and scalability is like makes it open for future developments. Branch-wise services, point of sale systems. Each branch has a point of sale systems which helps to carry out transactions, and this system is connected centrally to the server room, which has its own dedicated server for point of sale systems. Even for VoIP phones, it has its own server in the server room, its own dedicated server, as well as the CCTV cameras. Like it stores all the camera feed, the data footage in the server at the server room. Printers and PCs, these are the end devices at each branch. Like each branch has its own number of PCs and its own number of printers, depending on their workload. IoT devices. The IoT devices we have used air conditioning system. Like every branch has its own IoT devices, and all branches simply just at the end is centrally accessible at the Suvas server.
So to conclude with this visual presentation, I would like to thank my buddy here, my segment partner. So this entire project is only based on obviously the security, scalability, and the cost effectiveness of the design. It's centralized management with reliable WAN, and of course our WAN was made up of fiber and LTE backup, and it also supports current needs and future growth of the family supermarket. So thank you very much, Vinaka Kapalip, and thank you.
Thank you.